Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful shower set. I just got it and I couldn't wait to show you guys. This is a rain hat. It has beautiful color, gorgeous looking shower head, and it's a rain hat. It will provide a lot of water, which is super nice. The build quality is really, you can feel it as soon as you hold it in your hand. I just like it so bad. So this one, let's look at this beautiful piece. It looks super sleek, and this would be the back plate of it, and it's going to look really nice. And this part is the shower, handheld shower. It will just come up here and stay here just like that. It is beautiful. And we have these gorgeous knobs. It's just a luxury, you know, you can just feel it, the color, the look, the feel. It's so cool. And we have this main knob. This would turn on the water and off. You can see here it has on, off. It operates smoothly even without installing this beautiful piece. And this is the pipe for the piece here. It will just install here, and you will have nice distance from the wall, which is really cool. And we have all the other pieces, like this one. These are all plumber stuff. They will come and install it. And we have nice matching hose and some other pieces. And we have this rough plumbing stuff here, all the connectors. Beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed.